getting a bit dark and I'm really worried it's going to rain, so I'm going to hurry this one along. Second cook. I need to stick another log in there. This time we're going to make another tomato red pizza. And some mozzarella, black olives, sprinkle of some chopped onions, some chopped sun-dried tomatoes and fresh chopped tomatoes, very slight drizzle of garlic infused olive oil, ready for the Ooni Pro. At least it didn't rain. The clouds have moved over there. I've made the pizza and it's just waiting now. Ooh, that log, that didn't take long, about 8 minutes. Looks like that. That's good. Got to check the temperature. The oven temperature is quite high. Ooh, my door's jammed again, but somebody told me. Oh, I've lost the Allen key. Where's the Allen key? You can adjust the door with the Allen key. Slightly. Actually, I don't know if that's going to work. Maybe I've adjusted the wrong thing. Have I adjusted the wrong thing? I think I have. What have I adjusted? No, I think I've done. It just needs to. That was quite loose anyway. That was quite. I can't get my thing in there. I've adjusted them slightly. So hopefully now this will come. Oh, worked. It worked. Yes, right. This feels really hot. Yep, that's gone. Oh wow, I've really overdone it now. I'll have to wait. And the thing is, I'm really worried about this pizza because my base was quite dodgy, a bit thin and runny, and holy. I don't really want to. Oh, why is the light? I lost my light on the. I need to get it to cool down. It's way too hot. It's going in. I'll try that bit. I think it's got most of the ingredients I put on there. All those flavours together there, the sun-dried tomatoes, the fresh tomatoes, the black olives and the cheese, a bit of onion, really tasty, really good. So this one had a nice base cook. This one's got a darker side. I didn't want to... Let me show you. There. So that was getting a bit too dark, but it's nice, I like it. I don't like it any more than that. It's that lovely flame burnt piece of sun-dried tomato with it. Yeah, it's lovely. Very nice, very tasty pizza. The lovely flavours of the tomatoes and all of these, like the black olive, they just go beautifully together, and that hint of garlic with the olive oil as well. This was an overnight cold proof, which I think helps loads when you're making the dough. Just makes it stick together better, and I think it gives it a better cook and a better taste. Yeah, so yeah, I like this one. It's very nice.